YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is Eliza and thank you so much for joining me today. In this video we're gonna touch base the topic of luxury bags again, because I'm gonna be showing you my new favorite bag from Louis Vuitton, and it's a trunk top handle bag. I'm super excited about it, so if you want to see all the teeny tiny details, please keep on watching and let's get started. Honestly guys, I've been eyeing this bag, or rather trunk, for a very long time, and I was searching high and low until I finally found the place where I can place my order and put my hands into this beautiful top handle trunk bag from Louis Vuitton. I simply love it so much. It's very similar to Valise Trésor, but this one is a little bit bigger, I would say, and a little bit chunkier. I'm still considering what type of artwork I would like to put on one of the side. Maybe I would like my initial to be printed there, but still it's just I'm still considering it. So let's go through all the teeny tiny details of this absolutely stunning bag, and I will talk to you through every single detail of it. To be honest with you, I've unboxed this bag once it's arrived because I wanted to see it, I wanted to touch it, I wanted to feel it, and now I'm holding this masterpiece in my hands and showing it to you. Let me tell you, it's such a beautiful bag because it's very similar to traditional classic Louis Vuitton trunks, but they've added this beautiful top handle here, and now you can use it as a top handle bag, which I find very convenient and so classy. And yeah, overall it's just a traditional Louis Vuitton trunk in this beautiful classic canvas with shiny gold hardware. It looks absolutely pristine and darling. Every single stitch is on its place, every single logo is there, and overall this trunk looks absolutely stunning and I love it so much. Now when you open the bag, I really like the look here, it's so darling. You will see two big compartments, including the midsection, the zip pocket, and I think it's pretty roomy, to be honest. It fits a lot of things inside, and as you can see, the interior is made out of very delicate beige leather. I love it so much. It looks incredibly luxurious and it's just so darling. If you're familiar with Valise Trésor, you know that they have dark burgundy or dark red interior, which I find more convenient because if there is any dust piled up or any dirt, it's very easy to clean, whereas here, first of all, you have a very delicate type of leather, and second of all, it's quite light, so every little stain, every little speck will be visible, and it will be very difficult to clean up. So this is kind of a minor issue, but overall it's such a darling and beautiful bag, and obviously you need to baby the interior of the bag for sure. As I mentioned before, this is a top handle bag, which is pretty handy and very convenient, to be honest, but it also comes with this very thick good strap in case if you want to carry it on your shoulder like that, or if you want to try and carry it crossbody, because let's face it, it's a Louis Vuitton trunk bag and honestly it's incredibly heavy even when it's empty. So the most convenient way so far for me would be as a top handle, but it really is a lot of weight, to be honest. But yeah, if you're a fan of carrying it on the shoulder or as a crossbody bag, you have this option as well, but I would prefer to carry it like that because it looks so stunning, it looks so darling and so elegant. Let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of this bag, and one huge disappointment that I encounter is that it's a very heavy bag, extremely heavy bag, to be honest. The bag alone, including the strap, is 1.5 kilos. So if you add your wallet inside, if you add your phone, miscellaneous makeup items, maybe some cards and stuff like that, it will be around 2 kilos, which is extremely heavy when you carry it around all day long, because like, yeah, it's very heavy, to be honest. And it's definitely not an everyday bag, because first of all, it's a masterpiece, and I wouldn't consider carrying this bag with me every single day. First of all, it's not practical at all, although it's quite roomy. It fits a lot of things inside, but it's heavy and it's kind of very flashy. I would say that it looks very classic, very elegant, but it's not an everyday bag. I wouldn't dare to wear this bag on a daily basis, because it's such a masterpiece, it's such an artwork on its own. Second issue I encounter is the very light top handle and a very light interior of the bag. I mean, you really need to baby this bag. Despite the fact that it's made out of classic Louis Vuitton canvas, it's very sturdy, it's very good. You will highly unlikely get any scratches on top surface, but when it comes to the interior, you really need to baby this bag. Try to avoid all kinds of makeup inside, all kinds of spilling or spotting there, because like, it's such a beautiful bag that you really need to take good care of it. I know this bag is very controversial and it's a lot of cons, but let's talk a little bit about the pros. First of all, this bag itself is a masterpiece. I understand that you will not be wearing it on a daily basis, but to have this bag in your collection, you must be a lucky person, because it's so difficult to put your hands on it. And yeah, you don't need to wear this bag on a daily basis. If you're a person like me, I like to have it in my collection. I'd like to collect these things as a nice reminder that there are some classic and elegant pieces out there, and you have it in your collection. Plus, you can use it as a home decor rather than a handbag, because it's such a nice piece. You can place it on your night table, you can surround it with books and stuff like that, and it's kind of will serve you as a decor piece in your interior. And yeah, again, it's a trunk bag, and I love Louis Vuitton classic trunks, because like, it's such a masterpiece in itself. So when I've got it, I was super lucky to have it, and I will definitely keep it, not as a handbag but as a piece of art in my collection. For comparison, I have my Petit Mal here, and as you can see, the difference is huge. This one is around 20 or 19 centimeters, whereas this one is more similar to the classic Chanel flap. And when you compare it side by side, you can see the difference is incredibly huge. And yeah, this one is incredibly heavy too. So you guys, if you're just like me and you have a soft spot for classic Louis Vuitton trunks, then definitely go for it, because it's a lifetime investment and you can pass it to the next generation. That's how you create a value around the artwork and stuff like that. But if you consider something similar to wear on a daily basis as a handbag, I would highly recommend you to look at Petit Mal or Valise Trésor. It's a very similar type of a trunk style bags, but you can definitely wear them on a daily basis, to wear them on an outings and stuff like that. Whereas I prefer to invest in classic and elegant lifelong pieces. You know what I mean, yeah? And I absolutely adore classic Louis Vuitton trunks, because it's like, as I mentioned before, it's a piece of art anyway. But yeah, that was it for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section down below what do you think, whether you have a soft spot for trunks at all or not. Would you buy this bag or not, as an investment or as an art piece? Regardless, just do let me know. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.